Good evening and thank you for joining us. Provinces are scrambling to figure out the next steps in their vaccination efforts. Canada was caught off guard when Pfizer-BioNTech cut the number of doses to be delivered to this country. In an effort to ramp up its manufacturing capacity, the drug company says we can expect a 50% reduction over the next 4 weeks. So those who already had their first dose may have to wait longer for the second shot. But as David Akin discovered, the pharmaceutical giant told some European countries the impact for them will be less drastic.
The problem is in Belgium. That's where Pfizer-BioNTech makes all of the vaccines that are shipped to Canada and most European countries. Pfizer-BioNTech needs to upgrade its Belgian plant so it can make more vaccines faster.
This expansion work means that Pfizer is temporarily reducing deliveries to all countries receiving vaccine manufactured at its European facility, and that includes Canada.
Pfizer-BioNTech told Canada and its European customers they would only be getting half as much vaccine as expected for the next 4 weeks. That was where things stood Friday morning. But by late Friday, Pfizer-BioNTech's outraged European customers had won a change, and Pfizer-BioNTech issued a statement saying, "We will be back to the original schedule of deliveries to the European Union beginning the week of January the 25th. But even though Canada gets its vaccines from the same factory as Europe, it wasn't clear if Canada too will be back to regular shipments of Pfizer-BioNTech in 1 week. We are once again in touch with representatives from Pfizer to reiterate firmly the importance for Canada to return to our regular delivery schedule as soon as possible," Procurement Minister Anita Anand said in a statement to Global News. Pfizer assured us that it is deploying all efforts to do just that. Pfizer-BioNTech did not respond to requests for clarification. In any event, any delays in a Pfizer-BioNTech shipment could be a problem for provinces like BC that did not reserve the required second dose for those who have already received their first dose.
We will be looking at how much vaccine is coming in, how many people are due to get their vaccine in that week, or those weeks when we might have less than we're expecting, and then we'll have to make decisions about how best to optimize who gets vaccine at that time.
Canada's chief public health officials say it's okay to give the second dose as much as 42 days later, and that's what Ontario is planning to do for some in that province. In the meantime, the rollout of the Moderna vaccine should continue uninterrupted. Canada received 171,000 doses of that vaccine this week and is expecting 230,000 more Moderna doses in the first week of February. David Akin, Global News, Ottawa.